welcome back to Wild Fork. I'm so happy to be back here with another short and sweet, delicious recipe. But this time we're celebrating. I'm so excited because Father's Day is coming and I had to make my husband's favorite meal. This is coconut shrimp. So it is fried, it's crispy, it's crunchy. It's not something you want to make every day of the year, but it's delicious. The other alternative you have is you can bake these or you can air fry them. Today we're just gonna regular fry coconut shrimp. So let's go ahead and get started with the ingredients. I have my dry ingredients. I have 2 bowls with dry ingredients. Here is all-purpose flour. I'm using about 2 cups because I actually have 2 batches of shrimp I'm gonna be cooking today. And I also have some pecan smoked rub. You can find this at Wild Fork. In this bowl, I have some shredded coconut, and to make it even crispier, I chose to add some panko breadcrumbs. I also have 3 eggs, some honey, and then I just have some sauce for dipping right after. I'm using yum yum sauce because we love yum yum sauce, but you can use sweet chili, any sauce that you prefer. And last but not least, my key ingredient are Key West pink shrimp. You can find these at the store or online like always. These are sweet and the texture is just wonderful. They're nice and chunky, so with every bite you're gonna get a nice piece of shrimp. That's why I choose these. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with our batter. I'm gonna move in my bowl with my all-purpose flour and my pecan smoked rub. I'm gonna add in my 3 eggs. I'm also gonna add in my honey because again, my shredded coconut is unsweetened. If you buy sweetened coconut, you don't have to add honey. I'm gonna give this a quick mix just to get it all incorporated with my eggs. Just when it's starting to look like it's way too thick, you're gonna add in your secret ingredient, and that's mineral water. Let's just add maybe a 1.5 cups of mineral water. So mine is starting to get there. I'm just gonna keep mixing until all of those dry ingredients are well mixed in and you have no crumbs left. It's like pancake mix, but definitely more liquidy. So I'm just going to take my whisk out and I'm gonna get started. I did leave the tail on so it's easier to coat and also after to take a nice big bite. So let's do this. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to dip into our flour. It's gonna get dirty and messy, but it's fun. That's what the kitchen is about. So from the flour into our nice pink batter. Then I'm going to coat it with my shredded coconut and panko bread. But right before I do that, just get your hand real quick and kind of mix those two. I'm gonna drop it in there. I like to coat it really well, so not just drop it in and out, but actually get my hand and get some on there. Once that's ready, grab it by the tail and put it right on your plate. Okay, so here comes the fun part. Let's go ahead and throw them in the fryer. So our oil is at 350. Just getting past that, I'm gonna lower that to 6. I'm gonna take this out and pop in our shrimp. 2 minutes on each side. That's all they need. These are incredibly easy. And I'm not even gonna say they're delicious because you know that already. Now you wanna cook them in batches. You don't wanna throw them all in there or overlap them. No rush for these because then you'll drop the temperature of your oil. So just keep them in batches. I can't believe how good these look and I'm so excited to get right in and take a bite. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab 1 lemon, cut it in half. Flavors, as always, you choose. Whatever makes you happy. I have some yum yum sauce for my dipping and I'm also gonna use that lemon to sprinkle on top. Let these cool down before you take a bite. I have my eye on one that's been cooling for a while, so that's the one I'm gonna use. Just grab those seeds. Okay, I'm gonna go for this one. Again, tail on, it's just perfect. Just gonna go right into my dipping sauce. Do yourself a favor. Get in your car, drive to Wild Fork, and buy a bag of the Key West pink shrimp. Or you could stay home, not leave your house, and order at wildforkfoods.com. See you next time. Delicious.